Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. From the title, I'm sure you guys already know what's about to go down. Another graphic design competition, but this time it's Christmas themed. All you got to do is submit some Christmas themed text, so you can put it on any background you want, any size, whatever. Just make sure the text is Christmas themed, so you can put like snow on top of text. You can make the text look like ice cubes. You can have icicles hanging out from, whatever you want to do. Just be creative and make some Christmas themed text. Once you're done with that, all you have to do is submit it in the submissions channel in the Discord. So if you're not in that, go ahead and look in the description below and click on the Discord link. Go ahead and join it. And then all you got to do is submit it once you're done. The top 3 winners will be winning Discord Nitro. I know a lot of you guys like that, so I thought, why not? A new rule we're adding is that if you've already won a previous competition, you cannot win again. You can participate in it, but you're not going to win a prize again, just to give everyone a chance to win. I'll be picking the winners on the 14th of December, and after that, I don't know what day, I'll be making a video going over all of the submissions, and it'll be a little bit like a review. So if you guys want to be in the video, submit something and make it good, because I'm going to be reviewing it and I might roast it, so be careful. And that's really all I got for you guys today. So you guys know the drill. Like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. If you have any questions about this, feel free to leave it down in the comments below, and I'll try to get to it as fast as I can. Or you can message in the Discord and hopefully someone will respond. So that's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.